time. It's time for another safe and sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the one, say hello to the only, your favorite veteran and ours here on the BBQ Rando Ranch, Sergeant Pyro!
Whoa.
Sergeant Pyro, what do we got that looks like a lot of fun tonight?
It's Out of the Sky by Happy Family Fireworks.
It is. You get so excited you don't say the name all the time. Happy Family Fireworks. And where did we get this at?
We get it at our bestest place ever, Santan Fireworks.
Santan Fireworks. SantanFireworks.com, the #1 safe and sane retailer in the state of Arizona. Do you know for this season they have extended the amount of locations to 75 plus locations in Arizona alone for their safe and sane fireworks. They're also in New Mexico, and they're going to be in El Paso, Texas this year. We're heading east, Santan Fireworks. SantanFireworks.com. Go out to SantanFireworks.com and locate a location nearest you. All right, now let's take a little tour of the fountain.
Get some magnifying glasses.
Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Don't they realize that Ziggy has special glasses? All right, Ziggy, here we go. He's zooming in. By the way, everybody, Ziggy's here. Yeah, Ziggy's coming down off of the caffeine high he was on like an hour ago. Oh, that's not too bad, Ziggy. Okay. It says, so there's 4 tubes per se. So 1 shot of white strobe, purple heart, red and green pearl, white all right, and then there's white, Ziggy, stop moving, white pine flower, we're come out a little bit, with purple, green pearls, and then last but not least, silver rain, oh my goodness, and more pearls. All right, you know what, they just should have nicknamed this Happy Family Pearls. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's give it another quick tour. And you can see on top there's 4 tubes. To the person who doesn't know anything about safe and sane, they would think they're going up in the air. They're not. Nope. So, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready? Let's flip it around one more time there. There you go. Are you ready to take Out of the Sky out to the street pad and light this up?
I am, and I'm going to have to open it up with my official Sergeant Pyro knife.
Whoa! Sergeant Pyro! Whoa! Let's light this fuse with Sergeant Pyro, and let's get away. There we go. Let's see what we got, Sergeant Pyro.
Little crackles.
Oh, it's cute. That's the first tube, too.
Yeah.
Now, Sergeant Pyro, we popped those little covers off because
wasn't quite sure.
So we wanted to be on the safe side. Remember, this is Out of the Sky. Whoa! That was definitely a smoker.